There's nothing better than a creamy bowl of hot soup. And lately, I've been fascinated with this Thai soup called Tom Kha. So let's see the recipe. The first ingredient that I'm going to introduce is Galangal. So I have here a piece of Galangal, which is also from the root family. Nowadays, it's easily available at the vegetable vendors. You can buy that. Clean it. It's whitish in color. And then chop it. So after cleaning and chopping, this is how it looks. I have 2 stalks of lemongrass here. Peel it nicely. And now I'm just going to lightly bruise it. This helps in releasing all the flavors and oils of lemongrass. Around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. We're just going to mash it slightly. And here I have about 7 to 8 Kaffir lime leaves, and we need to bruise these as well for it to release its oils and flavors. I have a few Thai chilies over here, or Bird Eye Chillies. You also get the smaller kinds, you can take those. These are extremely spicy, so those who only can handle that much heat should use these. But to reduce the heat, I'm just going to also remove the seeds. Otherwise, it's going to get very, very spicy. The aromatics are ready, and I have here 2 cups of water that I've kept to boil. And now I'm going to boil all these ingredients in this water. So lemongrass, Kaffir lime leaves, garlic cloves, ginger, galangal pieces. Boil these ingredients for at least 10 minutes. While this is boiling, let's stir fry a few vegetables for the soup. So in a pan, heat a tablespoon of coconut oil. Next, 1 onion shredded. You do not need to cook the vegetables for very long. Half a capsicum cut lengthwise. Few broccoli florets. Few cherry tomatoes halved. 5 to 6 mushrooms sliced. Saute all these ingredients. Stir fry them for 2 minutes. A teaspoon of light soy sauce or just a few drops of dark soy sauce. I don't want to ruin the color of the soup, so make sure you don't add too much soy sauce. Next, the water has reduced to half. Let's add that. So all the flavors of the aromatics is in that water. The only thing that you want to add from these aromatics back into the soup is the lemongrass. Add in the Kaffir lime leaves, the chilies. Give all these ingredients a good mix. I prefer adding coconut cream instead of adding coconut milk into this soup. It gives a very nice texture and a very rich flavor. So in this goes in 400 grams of coconut cream. There are chances that if you add coconut milk, sometimes if you overboil it, it tends to curdle. So that's why I prefer adding coconut cream. Let's add in salt to taste. Bring this to a boil. The soup is ready, and now to give it that extra punch, I'm going to make a chili oil. So in a pan, just add in around 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, turn off the flame. Cool the oil down slightly and add in a teaspoon of chili flakes. Let's plate this soup. Just before serving, remove the lemongrass pieces from the soup. And now pour in some chili oil. This soup is ready. You just need to remember a few things. 1, you can even add some silken tofu into this soup if you like. Also, make sure that you do not eat the Kaffir lime leaves and the lemongrass stalk. Do give this recipe a try. It's really delicious, and let me know how it turned out. And I'm going to go dig in. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.